is equal to, that is R is equal to, we have a constant of proportionality, that is rho, okay, into L divided by A, okay, and this
area of cross section.
yes, area of cross section. So this rho is known as the resistivity. So it is the ability of a material similar to the resistance the flow of current. Okay, so you can see the unit of resistivity is ohm meter. Okay, how? Because resistivity is equal to, इस फॉर्मूले से मैं resistivity का इक्वेशन बना सकता हूँ कि नहीं? Resistivity is equal to R into A divided by L. Okay, so A का यूनिट आपको पता है मीटर स्क्वायर, L का पता है मीटर, so मीटर स्क्वायर और मीटर कैंसिल, 1 meter will be there, so the unit is ohm meter. Okay, so it is a constant value and resistivity for different materials will be different. Okay, so you can see here it is clearly stated that the resistivity of the copper will be this much, resistivity of glass. Okay, so you can see the resistivity value of the insulators will be more as compared to the conductors. Okay, so because insulator का काम ही क्या है कि वो करंट को yes, okay, ताकि करंट फ्लो नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, that is the main reason why we use insulators. Okay, so you can see resistivity for the insulators will be more as compared to the conductors. Okay, so this is all about resistance. Now you can see the, yes, so this is the schematic of the resistors. You can see on resistors, in simple resistor values, you will have different color bands. Okay,
Sir,
resistance
what was
materials
the formula for resistivity?
from the same. Okay, so you can write like this.
Okay.
Okay, so because we have resistance का जो value है, resistance R equal to rho L divided by A. From that equation, just rearrange that equation, you will get rho is equal to R A divided by, sorry, उल्टा हो गया ना, ये R ऊपर आएगा ना, R A, sorry, R L divided by A. Okay, so this is a resistor, simple resistor, where you will find color bands. Okay, then resistance material, then insulation coating.
सर A by L ही आएगा ना?
हाँ सर, A by L होना चाहिए.
A by L ही आएगा सर.
वो
सही
हम
लिखा
by
था आपने
मीटर.
पहले.
R is equal to rho A by L. सब होता है ना, R is equal to
R equals to rho L by A होता है सर.
Sorry,
Rho
sorry.
L by A.
Yes.
R equals to rho L by A.
हाँ, पहला वाला ही सही था. Okay. Yes. So this is a simple resistor where you can find the color bands, resistance materials, then insulation coating over that. Okay, and then this LED wire which will be connected to the different terminals. Okay. Now using these color bands, you can find the value of the particular resistor. Okay, so I just will show now how to. We'll have a table for that. You can see this is a table. Yes. So using this table, you can easily find the value of a particular resistance. You can see there will be mostly either 4 bands or 5 bands. So normally we use 4-band resistor that will give you the values based on your applications. So you can see 4 bands are there. So 4 bands have different weightage. Okay, so first band, second band, third band, and all is there. So to find the value of a resistance using these color band, that is not there in your syllabus. Okay, तो आपको ये पता, वैसे आपको पता होगा, ये आपने पहले से पढ़ा है ये सब, ठीक है, using this, but ये syllabus में
Yes
नहीं
sir,
है,
it is trick. It is trick to remember this.
Yes, there is a trick, and I hope many of you have different tricks maybe.
Yes sir. B.B.
Yes.
Roy of Great Britain has nice way.
Somebody have studied some different tricks. Okay, that is why I'm not going to take this. because actually this is not there in your syllabus, so why to waste time on this? Okay, instead you can refer Google and just you can find, and still if you don't remember like how to calculate, okay, how to find the value, then you can ask me, I will tell you. Okay. Then comes Ohm's law. Okay, Ohm's law भी आपने पढ़ा है, आपका फेवरेट. Okay, now what is Ohm's law? ये आपका फेवरेट फॉर्मूला है कि नहीं? ये तो आप लोगों का फेवरेट फॉर्मूला है, V is equal to
Yes, sir. IR.
IR. ठीक है, अब एक चीज याद रखना, मैं हमारा 6 यूनिट आएगा ना, 6 यूनिट जब भी मैं पूछूंगा ना, देख लो आपके पास एक ही फॉर्मूला होगा, V is equal to IR. जब भी मैं कुछ भी पूछूंगा सब लोग मेरे को यही आंसर देंगे, V is equal to IR. ओके, तो होता क्या है, ओम्स लॉ क्या है? कैन एनीवन टेल मी व्हाटएवर यू नो?
Ohm's law give the relation between potential difference, current and resistance
ओके,
of a direct current circuit.
और ऑफ अ डायरेक्ट करंट सर्किट. डायरेक्ट करंट मतलब डीसी, यू कांट यूज इन एसी.
Yes, sir.
ओके, एनीवन एल्स?
Sir, when an electric current pass through a circuit is directly proportional to the potential difference of a circuit while putting other conditions remain constant.
ओके, वेरी गुड. यस, एनीवन एल्स? यस, और कोई? आप लोग कुछ भी बोल सकते हो, आपको जो पता है.
When the physical state of the conductor are constant like length and area of cross section, then current is directly proportional to the potential difference across the conductor, and constant of proportionality called as resistance.
Very good. Okay, anyone else? Okay, अब मेरा क्वेश्चन है, whether current will be directly proportional to the voltage or potential difference, or the potential or the voltage is directly proportional to the current. How will be the statement?
Current is directly proportional to potential difference.
Yes, correct है क्या? या बाकी कोई बोल रहा है कि voltage is directly proportional to the current?
Current is directly proportional to the voltage.
Current is directly. Yes, very good. Okay, normally बहुत students क्या सोचते हैं कि voltage is directly proportional to the current. Actually, that is the wrong statement. Okay, so in any electrical linear circuit, okay, the current flowing through that circuit is directly proportional to the potential difference. Okay, so I can say that the current is directly proportional to the voltage. Okay, तो इस डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल को हटाने के लिए क्या करते हैं? We use a constant that is equal to 1 divided by R into voltage V, by keeping all the physical quantity remains constant. So normally what are the physical quantity?
Temperature and pressure.
Temperature, pressure, moisture, whatever it is. Okay, so all remain constant. Okay, so from this equation I can write V is equal to I into R. Okay, so this is the Ohm's law. So Ohm's law, what is Ohm's law? So current through any 2 points, okay, or any 2 terminal in a circuit is directly proportional to the potential difference across that terminal. Okay, is that clear? So this is Ohm's law. So
Sir, units of these 3 units of voltage, resistance and current in this formula.
Unit beta same ही रहेगा. Unit will remain the same. What is the unit of resistance? Ohms. What is the unit of voltage? Volt. What is the unit of current? Ampere.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that will remain the same. उसको कोई change नहीं कर सकता है. उसको आप कहीं भी use करोगे, that doesn't mean. ठीक है, अभी आप N division में हो, कल आप P division में चले जाते हो, आपका नाम change हो जाएगा?
No, sir.
Yes. So it is similarly to same. You can use these parameters in any of the equation. कहीं भी आप use करो, उसका unit same to same रहेगा. ठीक है? हरदेश सिंह गहलोत. Am I audible to you? Ardesh, शायद देवांश है इसमें. देवांश, देवांश, am I audible? ये लेक्चर से पहले आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप लोग प्रॉपर नेटवर्क एरिया में रहा करो, ठीक है, क्योंकि लेक्चर के बीच में फिर आप डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाते हो, कनेक्ट होते हो. Yes. Okay. So these are the basic terms which you need to know before starting of the unit number 1. So we'll start now our unit number 1. Okay, so just I will share you the screen. Yes. Now tell me, is the screen visible to you all?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Okay, so you can see we have already completed the first topic, that is resistance, EMF, current, potential difference, Ohm's law and all. Okay, now we have to move towards our unit number 1, that is on electromagnetism. Okay, now before starting to this unit, let us discuss what is this electromagnetism and all. According to you, what you think that we are going to study in this unit? क्या लगता है आपको कि क्या पढ़ना होगा हमको? देवांश, दिव्यांश, am I audible to you? दिव्यांश, okay, okay, now tell me.
Electromagnetic
Yes.
force.
Electric magnetic force, okay, fine. Anyone else?
When current flows through a conductor, it produces magnetic field around it and vice versa.
And vice versa क्या होता है? Magnetic field जब होगा तो current
when-
produce करेगा.
नहीं,
Relations.
Not always.
Combination of electrostatics and magnetism.
Combination of electrostatics and magnetism. Yes, very good.
Relation and corresponding working of electric and magnetic fields.
Okay, fine.
Attraction between particles due to electric force.
Attraction between the particles. Which particles? कौन से particle?
Cations and ions.
Cations and anions. Okay.
Induction of magnetic force due to passage of electric current.
दोबारा बोलो. अभी जो आंसर दिया था लास्ट लेटेस्ट, किसने आंसर दिया था? Okay, so in normally electromagnetism, that which deals with the magnetic effects of electric current. Okay, somebody have told this statement. It is when the current will be passing, we have to understand what are the magnetic effects of an electric current is there. So that is the study of your electromagnetism. Current में जो magnetic effect है, उसके study को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Electromagnetism. Okay, so these are the topics what. Okay, so these are the topic what we have to study in this unit. So one by one we'll start with that. Okay, so this all we have already completed. Yes, so electromagnetism, you can see it is a branch of engineering that deals with the magnetic effect of an electric current. Okay, now what are the laws of magnetism? Okay, just a second.
Like poles repel each other and unlike poles attract each other.
Yes, very good. Okay, so we know that like poles always repel each other and the unlike poles attract each other. Okay, so North Pole will be attracting towards the South Pole and North Pole will be repelling. Okay, now what is the second law of magnetism? Suppose we have two poles Okay, ये आपका एक magnet है suppose, and this is one more magnet. Okay, so this is one north here, and this is one south. Okay, similarly, this is one north here, and this is south. Now, what is the force between these two? That is the force which is exerted by one pole over the other. Whether this
Attraction.
इधर here
Attraction.
attraction आएगा कि repulsion आएगा?
Attraction.
Attraction.
Yes. Okay. So the force exerted by one pole on the other pole is directly proportional to the product of the pole strength. Okay. Suppose this pole, south pole, will have a pole strength of M1, and this north pole have a pole strength of M2. So the force exerted is directly proportional to, since here the force will be the force of attraction. Okay. So the force is directly proportional to the product of the pole strength. So what are the pole strengths? M1 and M2. Okay, इन दोनों का जरूरत नहीं है हमको. Okay, so M1 and M2 divided by, and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Suppose the distance between these two poles is D. Okay, then this is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So can you tell me, similarly to this statement, you have studied one different statement also?
Q1 Q2 by R square.
दोबारा बोलो.
Gravitation also.
Yes. in
Gravitation.
Gravitational. Yes. in
Gravitation.
Universal gravity.
Okay. So gravitational में भी same पढ़ा था, force of attraction. Okay. So this is your second law of magnetism. Okay. Next comes the magnetic field. Now, according to you, can you tell me what is this magnetic field? जो आपको पता हो.
Sir,
हाँ बोलो.
it is region around a magnet within which we can influence of magnet can be experienced. यानी हिंदी में बताओ सर.
हाँ बताओ ना.
मैग्नेट के नजदीक का ऐसा रीजन जहाँ पे इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ मैग्नेट हमें फील होगा.
Magnetic
magnetic
effect they are
field
visible.
Yes.
मैग्नेटिक.
Okay, Prasanna, very good. Yes, anyone else who can have a different statement or different viewpoint?
Sir, the magnetic field is the area around a magnet in which there is magnetic force.
There is magnetic
Force.
force. Okay. Anyone else?
It is, sir, intensity of attractive or repulsive magnetic force around the magnet.
Okay. Very good. Yes, anyone else?
The area around the magnet, which is the magnetic field exerted.
Area around the magnetic field exerted. So actually questioning मेरा ये है ना, magnetic field क्या है? Okay, so all of you have told that is the sum of the region around a magnet where you can influence the effect of that magnet. Okay, yes. So exactly that is the meaning of magnetic field. Okay, so it is a region around a magnet where you can feel the influence of that magnet. What does that mean? Suppose you have a magnet here. Okay, ये आपका एक magnet है. So this magnet is north here and this is south here. Okay, so this magnet will have some of the field around this. Okay, so let us assume that this is the field. हमको पता नहीं कि कहाँ कितना इसका field है. So let us assume that this whatever I have marked here, that is the field. Okay, now I take one another magnet. ठीक है, इसका ये south है और ये north है. Okay, and I observe that when I move this magnet towards this is 1, this is 2. When I move the second magnet towards first magnet, it is not getting attracted. ये attract होना चाहिए ना. ये साउथ है, ये नॉर्थ है, लेकिन ये अट्रैक्ट नहीं हो रहा है. सो उसका क्या मतलब है कि जहां पर जहां पर आपका मैग्नेट सेकंड है वहां पर उसका पहले वाले का मैग्नेटिक फील्ड नहीं है, सर नो। ओके, नाउ अब मैं क्या करता हूँ, यस अब मैं क्या करता हूँ, इसको थोड़ा सा आगे मूव करता हूँ। ठीक है, मैं यहाँ से थोड़ा सा आगे मूव करता हूँ। देन आई ऑब्जर्व दैट दिस मैग्नेट इज गेटिंग अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड्स दिस वन। सो व्हाट डज दैट मीन?
It comes under first magnetic field.
Yes, so that is there. So we can say that there the magnetic field is there. So the region around the magnet, ठीक है, इस मैग्नेट के जो चारों तरफ का जो रीजन है जहां पर उसका मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इन्फ्लुएंस फेल्ट होता है, फील होता है, उसको हम मैग्नेटिक फील्ड बोलते हैं। ठीक है, या उसका मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट जहां पर हमको फील होता है उसको हम मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को मैग्नेटिक फील्ड बोलते हैं। ओके, सो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड okay, so that is your magnetic field. So magnetic field में actually होता क्या है? What is there in the magnetic field? ये भी आपने पढ़ा होगा। Yes, tell me. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है क्या वैसे? ठीक है, वो तो समझ में आया कि इन्फ्लुएंस है। Actually, what is happening over there? हाँ, yes. Flow of charge. चार्ज है क्या यहाँ पर कहीं पे मैग्नेट में?
Sir, flow of magnetic field in a curvy manner as it goes away from the magnet center.
Yes. Actually, what is this? Actually, the magnetic field is a line of force. Yes or no? Actually, it is a force. Either it can be attraction or it can be repulsion. That is a different case. But it is a line of force. And what is the peculiarity of this line of force? Yes. Can anyone tell me what may be its properties? ये जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड के अंदर जो लाइन ऑफ फोर्स है उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज क्या क्या हो सकती है?
It goes from north pole to south pole.
Yes, very good. That is the first property है ना, ये नॉर्थ से साउथ मूव करता है कि नहीं?
Magnetic field lines never intersect each other.
Yes, very
They
good.
can never overlap each other.
They form closed loops.
तो होंगे तो ज्यादा इंटेंसिटी होगी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की।
The denser the poles.
They form closed loops.
Yes, very good. ये सब तुमने आंसर दे दिया, मतलब मैं आगे पढ़ाने की जरूरत नहीं है ना। ठीक है, हम यूनिट 2 पे चले क्या? Okay, so whatever you have answered me, all those are correct. Okay, so it starts from north pole to south pole. Okay, they will never intersect, they will never overlap. Okay, and they will be denser near the poles. Okay, and they are elastic in nature. Anything else जो छूट गया हो आपसे? They will never cross one another. Yes.
It is parallel inside the magnet and curvy outside.
Okay, very good.
It always take shortest path, any least time, जिसमें least opposition होगा उसको।
हाँ, ये एक इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट है। ठीक है, तो एक्चुअली इसमें एक वर्ड आता है जो आपने बोला ना, लीस्ट पाथ। एक्चुअली व्हाट दैट लीस्ट पाथ इज, एक्चुअली दैट इज रिलेटेड टू द टर्म रिलक्टेंस। आपने बोला था ना कि सर रिलक्टेंस नहीं पढ़ा है हमने।
यस सर, यस।
ओके, तो आपको पता है ना कि जो करंट है वो लीस्ट रेजिस्टेंस पाथ पे फ्लो करता है। सपोज यू हैव 2 ओम रेजिस्टेंस एंड यू हैव 100 ओम रेजिस्टेंस, करंट किसमें ज्यादा फ्लो करेगा? 2 ohm में। ओके, बिकॉज इट विल हैव अ लीस्ट रेजिस्टेंस पाथ। सिमिलरली यहाँ पर एक और टर्म है हमारा मैग्नेटिज्म में, दैट इज नोन एज रिलक्टेंस। ओके, तो आगे बताएंगे व्हाट इज दिस रिलक्टेंस। सो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस और मैग्नेटिक फील्ड विल बी मोर वेयर द रिलक्टेंस इज लेस। ओके, ठीक है, तो आपको क्या समझ में आया? यहाँ पर रेजिस्टेंस है तो उसका एनालॉगस यहाँ पर क्या होना चाहिए?
रिलक्टेंस।
So since we to discuss that this unit is based where we are going to study the magnetic effect of an electric current. So how will we observe that that an electric current have some magnetic effect in it? So let us take an example. Okay, so you will have an iron nail over here. Okay, so on this iron nail I have wounded with a conductor. Okay, and you can see I have paper clips. ये भी magnetic material है. Iron nail भी आपका magnetic material है. Okay, so in this wire I have not provided any type of any current in this. ठीक है, मैं यहाँ पर current नहीं देता हूँ. So what will happen? Whether this paper clips will get attracted towards this iron nail?
No.
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 Okay, ठीक है. Iron nail तो आपका magnetic material है, लेकिन magnet तो नहीं है ना, उसका खुद तो magnetic field नहीं होगा. Okay, so this paper clips will not attract it towards this iron nail. Now after some time what I do is I will apply a current, let us 2 ampere, 3 ampere, whatever it is. So I have applied a current to this wire. Now what will happen? You observe that this iron nail is getting attracted towards this, sorry, this paper clip is getting attracted towards this iron nail. So what may be the reason? Attraction के लिए वहाँ क्या होना चाहिए? What should be the reason for the attraction?
Electromagnetic
field.
Yes, so magnetic field will be there. Okay, some sort of magnetic field is generated across that iron nail, which makes the paper clips to attract it towards it. So who is the reason for this generation of magnetic field over there? Current. Okay, so we understood from this experiment that the current will have some type of magnetism or magnetic effect in it. That's why it is attracting. That's why it is making the iron nail to attract the paper clips. Okay. Similarly, if I take one more example. Okay, so we'll take one more example. Instead, you would have done these experiments in your 11th or 12th standard. So I take a cardboard here. Okay, so just hold here, and I have taken a conductor from this. ये cardboard है, उसके center से मैंने hold किया और एक conductor pass किया, wire pass किया. Okay. Now on this cardboard I have spread iron nails. चारों तरफ मैंने iron nails spread किया हुआ है. Okay. Now what I did that I have passed a current through this. Let us take 5 ampere. Okay. I have passed a current through this wire. Now what will happen? ये किसने किया experiment?
It'll form loops as per the magnetic
field and direction.
Okay, so first thing is that because of this current, some magnetic field will be generated across the wire, across the surface of the wire. Okay, so उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि we have spread some iron nails on that cardboard. So what will happen that this iron nails, which is there in the magnetic field, will experience a force. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes.
So what will happen? Because of that force, this iron nails will start rotating. Do you agree?
Sir.
Yes. Okay. Correct again?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now tell me. Yes. If it is getting attracted and if it is started to rotate, now the rotation can be either clockwise or it can be anti-clockwise. Now the question is, how can you tell that whether it will be clockwise or it will be anti-clockwise?
By right hand thumb rule, sir.
Right hand thumb rule.
Very good. So here we can use a rule which is known as right hand thumb rule. Okay,
Left hand thumb rule.
Left hand thumb rule पढ़ा है क्या प्रज्वल? प्रज्वल आपने पढ़ा left hand thumb rule? अगर हमारा लेक्चर डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाता है, सो यू हैव टू जॉइन विद द सेम लिंक. ठीक है, 1 मिनट के अंदर डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाएगा. सो यूजिंग राइट हैंड थंब रूल वी कैन फाइंड द डायरेक्शन ऑफ रोटेशन. ओके, सो दैट डायरेक्शन ऑफ रोटेशन विल गिव यू द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. कैसा मैग्नेटिक फील्ड वहां पर जनरेट हो रहा है. सो राइट हैंड थंब रूल क्या कहता है वो मैं आपको ज्वाइन होने के बाद बताऊंगा.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we were discussing about the right hand thumb rule. Okay. So what does that right hand thumb rule states? So if you hold
जब हमने thumb
हाँ बोलो
sorry
बोलो सर
जब हमने thumb करंट की डायरेक्शन में लेके गए तब जब फोर फिंगर जिस तरफ कर्ल हो रहे उस तरफ मैग्नेटिक वो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन बता रहा है।
यस फोर फिंगर जरूरत है कि सारे फिंगर्स अकेला फोर फिंगर नहीं है सारे
थंब ऊपर है ना
थंब ठीक है थंब का डायरेक्शन ठीक है बाकी का क्या है फोर फिंगर नहीं है ना सारे फिंगर जहां पर कर्ल कर रहे हैं दैट विल गिव यू द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक
So
फील्ड
magnetic field.
यस
Fourth finger denotes the direction of magnetic field.
फोर फिंगर नहीं सारे जो बाकी फिंगर है
Other fingers, other all.
all the other fingers which is curled okay that will give you the direction of the magnetic field okay so you can see it is clearly written देखो यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है according to the right hand thumb rule if you hold the current carrying conductor in the right hand such that the thumb points in the direction of the flow of current then the fingers encircle the wire in the direction of the magnetic field okay understood so that is the right hand thumb rule so using right hand thumb rule you can find the direction of the magnetic field okay suppose if I want to interchange the direction of magnetic field जो अभी clockwise में था सॉरी अभी हमारा एंटी क्लॉकवाइज में था उसको मेरे को क्लॉकवाइज में करना है तो क्या करना होगा
करंट का डायरेक्शन चेंज
yes change the direction of the current okay so that is only what we have to do now next is dot convention cross and dot convention so this cross and dot convention normally we use to understand the direction of the current
Direction of current, yes.
yes so if the current is flowing towards the plane ठीक है ये आपका प्लेन है मान लो ठीक है तो करंट अगर आपका प्लेन के अंदर जा रहा है so there you will see a cross okay is that okay to all of you समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
yes yes and if the current is coming out of the plane ठीक है मतलब करंट आपकी तरफ अगर आ रहा है तो it is denoted as a dot और you can see अगर प्लेन को छोड़कर अपना बात कर रहे हो so if the current is going away from the observer आपसे दूर जा रहा है so you will see as cross okay and if the current is coming towards the observer आपके तरफ आ रहा है so you can see the current as in the dot sign okay so this is the cross and dot convention is that clear to all of you
Yes, sir.
इसमें किसी को कोई डाउट है cross and dot convention
No, sir.
yes
No, sir.
okay, good. Okay. Next we have the nature of magnetic field of a long straight conductor. So just we have discussed about the long straight conductor. अभी जो हमने experiment देखा था. Okay. So in that experiment you can see when a current is flowing through a conductor, it will have a magnetic field. Okay. So anything whatever keep in the magnetic field, that will either gets attracted or repelled. Okay. So we have to find this nature of the long straight conductor. Okay, that is what is the magnetic field, what is the nature of the magnetic field in this long straight conductor. So you can see the lines of forces are in the form of concentric circles. Okay, वो यहाँ पर nature है इसका. So all the magnetic field will be aligned in a concentric circle at right angles to the conductor. Okay, and this force, whatever be the force here, that force is given as force is equal to आपने वाला formula पढ़ा है कि नहीं? B into I into L into sin theta. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what is this B here? This is a magnitude
Magnetic
of the
field.
Magnetic field intensity.
Yes. Okay. What is this I? I stands for the
Current.
current which is flowing through this conductor. And what is the L?
Length of the conductor.
Length of conductor.
Length of
Yes,
the
very good. Length of the conductor. And this sin theta?
It is cross product according to cross product. I cross L.
So how much the angle is made? Okay, between this point of contact and this conductor. Okay, so you can see when the sin theta, when this conductor is mainly at 90 degree, तो आपका जो force है that will be maximum. So this will be equal to B into I into L. So this is the nature of the magnetic field on a long straight conductor. Okay, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Anyone having any kind of doubt here? ये वेदेंद्र गिरी कौन है? संकेत? और रोल नंबर क्या पता है किसी को? Yes. Okay, if I remember. Virendra Giri. We will see. Okay, so this is the nature of the magnetic field on the long straight conductor. Now, similarly, we have to study the nature of the magnetic field on a solenoid. Okay, so before going to that, tell me what is a solenoid? Solenoid क्या होगा?
It is
The
a loop
device
of wire.
wounded with the conductor copper.
Yes, others एक second ना, वैष्णवी कुछ तो बोल रही थी. वैष्णवी, just continue.
It's a loop of copper wire.
It's a loop of copper wire.
Sir,
Others, now you can say
Coil of wire.
coil of wire.
sir,
बोलो.
सर लॉन्ग कंडक्टर को जब बाउंड करते हैं तो कुछ तो कॉइल टाइप बनता है तो उसे सोलेनॉइड कहते हैं.
Yes, very good. Yes, anyone else?
It is insulated wire.
It acts as a magnet.
Acts as a magnet. Okay, so I can say आप जो भी आंसर आपने दिया है, from that I can conclude that एक कंडक्टर लिया है हमने, ठीक है, इसको मैं अगर वाउंड करता हूँ वायर से, ऐसे क्लोजली वाउंड, okay, so this will give you a solenoid.
Yes.
ये है ना आप सबका आंसर?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
you can see, yes, good, it is the correct. So solenoid is a coil of wire, okay, which is wound with number of turns close together, okay, whose axial length means this much, this is the length, whose axial length is several times greater than the diameter of the turns. Do you agree with this? ये diameter है आपका d, turns का diameter है, तो इसका axial length बहुत ज्यादा होगा diameter से. Do you agree this?
Yes.
I can say
Capital.
suppose yes, length is equal to 5 times d, ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं, या 6 times, जो भी है, लेकिन diameter से ज्यादा होगा length. So that is your solenoid. Okay, so you can see here, so when a long conductor is wound with number of turns close together to form a coil whose axial length is several times greater than the diameter of its turns is known as a solenoid. Okay, so you can see the downside, the figure of a solenoid. Okay, so let us take that this is a solenoid, and because of this, when we apply a current to this wire, so it will produce some magnetic field. So that will flow from north pole to south pole. Now the question is, how can you find the poles here? अभी आपने जो कॉइल देखा है, इस साइड यहाँ पर मैंने साउथ लिखा है, ठीक है, एंड हियर इट इज नॉर्थ. सपोज ये आपको नहीं पता है, ठीक है, आपको ये फ्लो भी नहीं दिख रहा है, दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉट सीन. Now tell me, how can you say which is north here, which is south here?
उसके सामने एक मैग्नेट लाके चेक कर लेंगे।
मैग्नेट लेकर नहीं आना है।
अच्छा,
फ्लो ऑफ करंट।
फ्लो ऑफ करंट, करंट मैंने आपको बताया, देखो ये करंट है आपका, ठीक है, करंट यहाँ से ऐसे फ्लो हो रहा है। नाउ टेल मी, बेस्ड ऑन दिस फ्लो ऑफ करंट, हाउ कैन यू टेल?
राइट हैंड रूल।
राइट हैंड रूल लगाओ। हाँ लगाओ राइट हैंड रूल। तो बताओ मेरे को, नॉर्थ कैसे आएगा, साउथ कैसे आएगा?
सर थंब जिस डायरेक्शन में पॉइंट करेगा वहां से फ्लो हो रहा होगा, तो वो नॉर्थ आएगा और दूसरा वाला साउथ आएगा।
दोबारा बोलो सर।
सर थंब जिस डायरेक्शन में पॉइंट करेगा फील्ड वैसे फ्लो होगी, तो एक पॉइंट नॉर्थ आएगा और जहाँ पे वो एंड होगी वहाँ साउथ आएगा।
Sir, if the current is flowing clockwise, then it will be south pole, and if the current is flowing anti-clockwise, it will be north pole.
नॉर्थ पोल।
अभी कहाँ क्लॉकवाइज हो रहा है, कहाँ एंटी क्लॉकवाइज हो रहा है?
फिर वो जहाँ से करंट फ्लो होना स्टार्ट हुआ ना, वो स्ट्रेट कंडक्टर जो है उधर लगा है, तो वो इनवर्ड आ रहा है मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, मतलब ऊपर आ रहा है, तो नीचे से ऊपर आ रहा है।
हाँ, तो नीचे से ऊपर आया तो मतलब वो साउथ हुआ कि नॉर्थ हुआ?
साउथ हुआ।
साउथ हुआ। ओके, तो अब देखो ये करंट फ्लो है, मैं यहाँ पर ग्रीन से मार्क करता हूँ, ठीक है, दिस इज योर करंट फ्लो। ओके, तो ये करंट फ्लो इस वायर में ऐसे जा रहा है और ये आगे से ऐसे जा रहा है, तो पीछे से इसका ऑपोजिट जाएगा, करेक्ट है कि नहीं? सिमिलरली यहाँ पर भी ऐसा और यहाँ पर भी ऐसा। So you can't directly use a thumb rule here, क्योंकि दोनों डायरेक्शन देखो, करंट का डायरेक्शन यहाँ उल्टा है, यहाँ उल्टा है। Okay, so instead of that, what can you do is, अगर suppose see the solenoid from the left side, आप लेफ्ट से solenoid को जब देखोगे, now can you tell me what is the direction of the current that you can see, whether the current flowing is anti-clockwise or clockwise? Clockwise. So I can say the current, yes, the current is clockwise. Okay, मैंने यहाँ पर करंट का डायरेक्शन मार्क किया हुआ है इस साइड। Now see the solenoid from the right side. यहाँ से अगर आप ऑब्जर्व करो, so what will be the direction of the current that you can observe?
Anti-clockwise.
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 Yes.
Okay, so just see what I am writing here. Now can you tell me which will be north, which will be south?
Yes.
Yes. Can you tell me left side will be north or south?
South.
South.
North.
अभी कोई नॉर्थ बोल रहा है,
तो समझ में नहीं आया, फिर से
समझ में नहीं आया। डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट समझ में आया?
करो सर।
हाँ हाँ समझ में आया। वो उसके बाद में जब हमने देखा, उसके बाद में क्या किया, वो जो अपने दो फिगर बनाए ना, सर्कल।
हाँ, सर्कल के बाद उसके अंदर बनाया कुछ मैंने। तो अंदर क्या बनाया देखो, साउथ को ऐसे ऐसे बनाया मैंने, तो आपको याद करने में इजी रहेगा कि नहीं? तो ये क्लॉकवाइज घूम रहा है यहाँ पे करंट, ठीक है, तो मैंने उसको साउथ से ऐसे मार्क किया हुआ है। समझ में आया कि नहीं? क्या इसमें कुछ मतलब ज्यादा ये नहीं है साहिल, आप समझ में आया कि नहीं? यस, ठीक है। सो यस, तो आप डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट से देख सकते हो कि द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का जो पोल्स है वो कैसे अलाइंड है। सो हियर द लेफ्ट साइड विल बी ऑफ साउथ पोल एंड राइट साइड विल बी ऑफ नॉर्थ पोल। Okay. So we'll stop for today here. Okay. So I'll take the attendance. Just